Hi, this is Laura with CoachMeLaura.com and At Your Service Mobile Notary. Today, I want to talk about work and what that means. Many people talk about workouts, meaning exercise, and others talk about the work they do, meaning how they make a living. They're teachers, they're bankers, they're painters, they're notaries, they're sellers of insurance. I was listening to a Napoleon Hill book about the roads to riches. And there were a dozen very well-known experts from the personal development field, and they each commented on the different principles named in the book. And Les Brown, in particular, talked about how he reminds himself of the 4 crucial elements that make him successful. So let's put new meaning to the word work and make it an acronym. W, that's for the willingness to do what's required. It means showing up, being competent at what you do, and doing more than what's expected with enthusiasm. O is for ownership, mentally taking charge of your own self-initiative to promote yourself within your job or the next job, or becoming your own employer. R, that's for reinventing yourself. Remember, what you did got you this far, but it won't take you into the future. It takes new thought, skill, energy, and an openness to knowing you may not know how to get there. You may need others to help fill in the gaps. But if your why is big enough, then the how will follow. K, that's for kindred spirits, meaning like-minded people. Your associations can add or detract from your goals. And if you want to grow and succeed beyond where you are now, you need to surround yourself with those kinds of people, those who can support you, those who can even help you source ideas to accomplish what your goals are. Because if you already knew all the answers, you would have already arrived. I'm using this acronym myself every day, so I know what I need to focus on to keep my momentum moving forward, so that every day I'm taking one more step towards my dream job and life. If you're not sure what it is, then ask yourself, what would you love? If it's not what you're doing now, do what you're doing now with enthusiasm, and then create a picture, a vision of what it is you do want. Then ask yourself, what can you do now with what you have to take one step closer? Thanks for listening, and until the next time, be safe.